Hi all, welcome to RandomTechie. In this video, we are going to discuss about JavaScript variables. First, let us create a HTML file with external JavaScript file references. Before we start, we'll see about JavaScript comments. We will use comments to make code easy to understand and to avoid the unnecessary code in the JavaScript program. There are two types of comments in JavaScript. Single-line comment. It can be used before and after the statement. It is represented by double forward slashes. Multi-line comment. It can be used to add single as well as multi-line comments. Hence, it will be more convenient. It is also represented by forward slash with asterisk, then asterisk with forward slash. Now, we are going to cover about JavaScript variables. How JavaScript variables naming convention should be. JavaScript variable types and scope. JavaScript reserved keywords. And finally, how are we going to use JavaScript variables in live JavaScript program? JavaScript variable. A variable is a name storage for data. We have three keywords to declare a variable in JavaScript. var keyword, which is legacy, let keyword, and const keyword. The var keyword is almost the same as let keyword, but there is a slightly different. Okay, how JavaScript variables naming convention should be. There are some rules while declaring a JavaScript variable, also known as identifiers. Yes, it should be clean and meaningful. JavaScript variables are case sensitive. The variable name must contain only letters, digits, or the symbols $ and underscore. JavaScript variable cannot contain and space in between and hyphen. First character should not be a digit. And JavaScript variables cannot be reserved keyword. Now, we'll see about types and scope of JavaScript variable. There are two types of variables in JavaScript: local variable and global variable. A JavaScript global variable is declared outside the function. It can be accessed from any function. We'll see in detail. There are reserved keywords in JavaScript like other language program. Here is few examples: if, else, byte, case, this, for and more. Okay, let's see live examples of variables. Declaring name, age, and salary and location variables with var keyword. We can combine the variable declaration and assignment into a single line. We can also declare multiple variables in one line. For better readability, we'll prefer single line per variable. For better understanding, we are going to see the results in Developer Console of Chrome. Here, we can see the log. Value of name will be printed in console window. In the same way, we can print all the variables. We can see the same result when we use let keyword and const keyword. When a programmer is sure that a variable will never change, they can declare it with const keyword. In general, most of the developer will prefer camel case when declaring a variable. Camel case is nothing but, words go one after another without space, each word except first starting with a capital letter. Here, first name and last name is perfect example for camel case notation. As we saw, there is a slight difference in declaring variable in let and var keyword. Let keyword won't allow to create a variable with same name, but var keyword will allow. Here is the live example of case-sensitive and allowable special characters. Please watch carefully. $ and underscore is valid when declaring a variable. And first character should not be a digit. We'll cover other rules as well. Please watch carefully. trying to declare reserved keywords as a variable and it is not allowing to declare as a variable. Okay, now, we'll see about local and global variables. Let's see the simple example of local and global variable in JavaScript. In our program, all the variables are declared outside of the function. All can be accessed in a function. But if we declare a local variable inside the function, then variable's life will be ended inside the function itself. It cannot be accessed from outside of function. We'll see more about functions in upcoming videos. Happy coding! Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you in next video.